AI writing assistants are changing the game for content creators. And today we're going to show you exactly how you can use them to streamline your writing process. Whether you're a blogger, social media manager, or marketer, these tools can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take manually. So, how do they work? AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai use advanced machine learning to understand your input and generate coherent, readable text. You start by entering a topic, a headline, or even just a few keywords, and the AI takes that and produces a draft you can edit and refine. For example, let's say you're writing a blog post on the benefits of remote work. All you need to do is give the AI some basic info like the topic and tone, and it will generate a full article based on your preferences. You can then tweak the structure, add personal insights, or let the AI suggest improvements to make it even better. This not only saves time, but also helps overcome writer's block. If you ever struggle with getting started or finding the right words, AI is like having a co-writer who's always ready to step in and help. These tools can also generate copy for social media posts, email campaigns, video scripts, and more. And it's not just about writing. They can even help with SEO. Some AI writing assistants like Surfer SEO or Market Muse integrate keyword optimization into the writing process, ensuring your content ranks higher in search engines. You can input keywords or phrases you want to target, and the AI will weave them seamlessly into the content, giving you a solid foundation to build from. The best part, you can train AI tools to adapt to your writing style. The more you use them, the more personalized their suggestions become. So, whether you need quick content ideas, a polished draft, or an entire article, AI writing assistants have got you covered. To wrap up, here are some AI writing tools you should consider trying out. ChatGPT for general content, Jasper for marketing copy, and Surfer SEO for optimizing blog posts. Many of these tools offer free trials, so you can experiment with them to find the best fit for your needs. And remember, AI is not replacing human creativity, it's enhancing it. By letting AI handle the heavy lifting, you free up time and mental energy to focus on the parts of content creation that matter most to you. If you're excited about how AI can transform your writing, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video in our series, where we'll dive into AI-powered video editing tools and how they can save you hours in post-production. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Revolution for the latest updates on artificial intelligence and technology. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more exciting content and insights into the world of AI.